Hi everyone, Dr. Carrie Scarf here again. Today I'm going to talk about remote hearing care. This is a way we can provide convenient hearing aid adjustments to you in the comfort and safety of your own home. Many of the recent advanced hearing aids that we've been working with have the option of connecting directly to us and our services via your cell phone and allowing us to make necessary adjustments to your hearing aids. Although you do need a strong Wi-Fi connection, the hearing aids will actually use Bluetooth to do this, not cellular data. You'll also need either a recent cell phone or iPad, but you can actually borrow one from a friend or family member to make this happen. It's a nice way for us to offer you support without requiring you to be out in public more than necessary right now. And for our snowbird patients, you don't even need to be in the same country as us. We have patients all the way in Brazil, in Poland, Nova Scotia, and India who are using this technology successfully. So contact us for more information about hearing aids with remote care. My 12-year-old daughter made a little video to show you an example of what it looks like to use, and I'll attach it below. And as always, please check out our website, www.audiologyinnovations.ca, for educational hearing health information. Thanks everyone, and stay safe.